The Barricade Adventure Mirrors in textured black are for those of you that have a 1987 all the way up through the most current model year Wrangler that are looking for a mirror that you can pop on your Jeep when you take the doors off to keep you legal and to keep you safe. These are going to be a very, very simple 1 out of 3 wrench installation, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. So obviously, when you remove your doors, you are removing your mirrors, and if you want to stay legal and safe, you're going to have to come up with another solution. This is one of them. There are really a couple of different choices. One, you can mount a quick release mirror on the A-pillar. That way you always have that bracket on there, but when you take your doors off, you attach the mirror to that bracket. Another option is to permanently move your factory mirrors from the doors onto the A-pillars. And finally, you can go with an option like this, where you drop a mirror into your hinge when the door is not installed on the Jeep. This option, of course, you take the door off, you put the mirror on, you take the mirror off, you put the door back on. There is a little bit more switching back and forth. But with the options where you move a factory mirror to the A-pillar, you can have a little bit of issue seeing the passenger side mirror. Now, some of the brackets do take care of that for you, but that is something to consider. And of course, with the quick release, you always have that bracket on the Jeep, even when the mirror isn't on there, and that can bother some of you. So obviously, all of them have their pros and cons. If you do like this style, if you're fine pulling your door off, dropping a mirror in place, it's a nice, easy to see mirror, very visible, inexpensive, then this is going to be an excellent choice for you. There isn't too much to say as for construction here. These are very, very simple. You have some round bar here that's threaded on the one end. This is the part that's going to drop into your hinge. Then on the back side of the mirror, you do have a bit of a ball joint with a bolt right through it. That's going to attach it onto this arm. The main body of the mirror is plastic. And then you have the mirror itself here. So again, very simple, adjustable, easy to drop into place, easy to assemble, easy to remove. They just are going to get the job done for you. As I mentioned, I think these are very fairly priced. They're a nice inexpensive solution to the problem of not having mirrors on your Jeep when you take the doors off. For 50 bucks, you'll get a pair of these. I think they're a good buy. Now, a member of the install team will show you how to assemble these and how to get them installed.
Today we're going to install our Barricade Rectangular Adventure Mirrors on our 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. We're going to begin by removing the front door off our Wrangler. To do this, we're going to make sure our window's down. This way when your doors are stored, nothing gets broken. Now let's go ahead and get started. We're going to begin, we're going to open our door. We're going to go inside, we're going to disconnect our safety strap and our door harness plug. We're going to begin, we're going to take this panel off here. Get a little safety strap on it. Come in here. We're going to disconnect our plug and then unhook our safety strap. Unlike your JKs and your TJs, the JL Jeep Wrangler comes with a door check now attached to it. So we're going to have to go ahead and get that removed after we've removed our harness and stop strap. Now, using the T40 Torx and the ratchet that comes in your Jeep toolkit, we're going to go ahead and unattach this. Next, you're going to locate your Jeep toolkit in your vehicle. Now, this is really awesome. Jeep gives you the tools to go ahead and remove your top or your doors. Go ahead, open it up. Comes with a small ratchet and a few Torx bits. We're going to take our T50 Torx bit and our ratchet out of the kit. And we're going to go ahead and remove our door hinges. On the bottom of your hinge pin, there's going to be a Torx bit. You can be very careful not to scratch your paint. You're going to go ahead and repeat this for your bottom hinge also, and make sure you don't lose these. Now that our door is unfastened from the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and swing the door open and lift it off its pins. Once you do that, you want to put your door in a secure place where it's not going to get damaged in any way. And go ahead and put your Torx nuts back on the bottom of your hinge pins. This way they don't get lost and your threads don't get damaged on your door. Now just carefully lift your door off and store in a safe place. We're going to begin by installing our mirror support in the top hinge. We're going to go ahead and just slide it down through the top. We're going to secure it down with the 15mm nut supplied. And go ahead and just snug it down. Next, we're going to take our new rectangular mirror. We're going to remove the 13mm bolt out of the back of it. Line it up the hole on our support. Using your 13mm wrench or ratchet, secure it down. This concludes the installation of our Barricade Rectangular Adventure Mirrors on our Jeep JL series. For more parts and videos like these, make sure you visit us at ExtremeTerrain.com.